Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about this issue, error code 429. You exceeded your current quota. Please check your plan and bill details and how to fix it. So for the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to check the billing. So I'll go to OpenAI API billing and I click on the first link. Um, and here we can see how much credits I have, and it says I have $0. That means I don't have any credits. Uh, to verify it and to see more details on it, we can go to usage details. So API usage, and that there you will see the second link. If you click on the second link, I click, I click, yeah. So for detailed view, I'll go to monthly bill, so I can see how much I have used the API, and you can see that I created this little box. Yeah, so you can see it here, this little box. And when you create a new account with OpenAI and verify your phone number and everything, it grants a credit for $18, which is valid for um, which is valid for like some months. So you can see I created the account on Jan 18 and it expired on May 1st, 2023. So I do not have any credits remaining now. And billing also confirms that. So what we need to do is we need to add credits to my account so I can use the OpenAI API. I'll add the payment details here and I'll click on individual and let me add the card details. And I will start initial credit purchase as $5 as the minimum is $5 and the maximum you can do is $100. Would you like to set up automatic recharge? I don't want to do that. I'll click on continue and $5 is the amount. Estimated tax is 1, so around 90 or around $1, and I'll just confirm payment. Yeah, so I have completed the payment and I have $5 credits remaining now. So it is done. And I'll come back to my code. And in this code, what I have done is that I have provided a prompt. What is the capital of France? And I'm using a model GPT 3.5 Turbo. And I'm using OpenAI secret key using environment variable. Regarding the models, if you see the pricing, this is the pricing overview. And for GPT 4o, which is the latest one, it is $2.5 per million input tokens. So the price is quite reasonable when you see all the models basically. So it's actually good. Now, when I run this thing and ask what is the capital of France, earlier I was getting this issue. You exceeded your current quota. So let me run it now. Run Python file, and you will see the output now is the capital of France is Paris. So this is working now. So if you have any questions, any doubts, or any suggestions, please write down in the comments and please do like and share. Thanks for your time.